I'll be introducing our application Tutorly. The main motivation behind this application is that we always found it difficult to reach out to TAs and often found ourselves seeking help from other students to learn certain topics related to an MP or an assignment. That's when we realized that people need not know the entire subject to teach certain topics related to that subject. Our solution is a platform to connect these two sets of people who want to learn a topic and who know the topic and want to teach it. Our target users are primarily students, but it can also be used by industry professionals and teachers. We are different because we don't need experts in our system. If you think that you know a specific topic, you can come to our application and become a teacher. We plan to monetize our application by taking a percentage of credits transferred from the students to the teachers. We are using React frontend, Java Spring Boot backend, MySQL RDBMS database, and MS Azure for deployments.
Hello there, welcome to Tutorly. Looks like you're new here. Let's sign up. Paul is a new user on our website and he would like to create an account. He has an option to provide his email address and password or sign up with Google. On signing up for the first time, Paul will be hitting this registration form where he will be providing his details corresponding to his first name, last name, his phone number, his university as well as his degree. This will allow us to curate a better experience for Paul on our website. On signing up for the first time, Paul receives a credit of $100. He can use this to book a slot for different courses that he would like to learn on our website. So on logging in, we can go up to Paul's profile and we can see the details that he had entered, along with the topic ratings. Topic ratings over here corresponds to the feedback that Paul would have received for any courses that he would have taught. Credits over here correspond to the credits that Paul could use to book slots to learn particular courses. The process of adding credits as of now is currently out of scope for our project. Now, we also made an important design decision to hit the Learn page as opposed to the Teach page when a user logs into our website, as we consider that more people would be coming to our website to learn as opposed to teach. Now, let's say that Paul would like to teach a specific course. He can go on to the Teach page where he'd be able to see the courses that he is teaching currently, his work schedule, that is, the slots that he is available to teach in, and his availability, which will show the slots that he has booked. So let's say that Paul would like to teach competitive programming. He would have an option to add the course, which would include the title, the description, the tag, that is the subject to which it's corresponding, the price, and his experience in months. Now, choosing an experience in months was also an important design decision, as we consider that the people coming on this website would not necessarily be professionals, but rather amateurs in courses who have gained specific knowledge and would like to share it with others. Let's put this inside algorithms. On adding a course, Paul will be able to see it in a list, as well as he'll be able to select a slot for it in which he's ready to teach it. Let's say he's ready to teach it on the 15th of December from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. He can add his availability and he'll be able to see this in the table on the bottom of the screen. Okay, now let's move on to Ishita. Ishita is a returning user on our website who had previously signed up via Google, so now she can simply sign in. Ishita would like to learn a specific course. Now, giving the Learn page a minimalistic design was also a very important design decision, in which we wanted a single view in which the user will be able to see all the courses being taught, which are grouped based on the subject and then the topics in that subject. He will be able to select a particular subject that he is interested in or multiple subjects that he would like to learn about. Further, he also has an option to search in the search bar. Let's say Ishita wants to learn competitive programming. So she'll put a search and she'll get different courses that are being taught which correspond to that search. In this, she can sort based on rating as well as based on experience in ascending or descending order. Let's say that she specifically wants to learn competitive programming. So she'll put a search. If she makes a mistake, she can search for it again. Competitive programming. On clicking on the particular topic, she'll get more information about it, like the tutor who's teaching it, Paul Smith, along with the rating, which is currently 0 because Paul has not received any ratings, the cost, and the slot. She can now book a slot in which she would want to learn this. So we'll go up to the 15th of December, and we can see that Paul is ready to teach this from 2 to 3 p.m. She will select this particular slot, and once that's done, she'll receive a mail. In the mail, she'll get details regarding the session, like the date, the time, and also her tutor details, his email and his phone number, so that she could use it to contact him in case anything is required. Now let's move on to Ishita's schedule. On the schedule page, we can see her upcoming and past teachings as well as learnings. Now, keeping a single page for teaching as well as learning was also an important design decision because we wanted to allow the user to have an option to teach as well as learn at the same time on the website. So we can see that she has some upcoming teachings as well as some past learnings and an upcoming learning for competitive programming that she just created. For past learning, she also has an option to provide feedback for the particular instructor, in which she can give him her rating, as well as she can provide some feedback regarding the session, like if it was very good. This will allow us to create more user interaction on our website as well as keep our data updated. Okay, and finally, moving on to Paul's schedule, we'll be able to see that he has an upcoming teaching for competitive programming, which was booked by Yashada. Now, having an email sent to the user after a session has been confirmed, along with graying out particular slots that the user is not available to teach in, was an important decision we took after a heuristic evaluation to improve the user's experience. So yes, this is Tutorly. Thank you so much for your time.